Kangri rawe kowe shingam Pendang dewa mali chuin Jere siwa tenzin gyatsun Shabe side padu ting Kongsa cho kiki tunga la samde tashti le shu Ki kutse tilo ne tilo tenpa shu Tashtile samalo tharing ani kundu thunga shopa ni mudela ani chaji da dc jitemte chitu shopja ji sagi ye samalo thunga latto yongde dewa yi
phone number so ta tini chinju shituchi chiba ani dc sunam tan ro so dc sa jadong 장자 가다 돼 아니 깨끗해 인다 장된다 공수죠
kuchiri kuchi tilone tilo tenbarshu stunga nimula tashtiles manuksa jikyo
zailamas ya tati
Tungar sang
Ngai zaila ama Kutsi chulu timba sho ifinoru.
So here, my friend, if you truly love me, then keep in your mind my 3 commitments. And whatever way, you see, wherever you live, try to create compassionate atmosphere, compassionate, atmosphere, compassionate society, then religious harmony. Then, you see, tell more people Tibetan knowledge which come from Nalanda is quite useful. So, whether believer or non-believer, it's worthwhile. This Tibetan knowledge is to keep as a part of academic subject. So if you practice, if you pay more attention, that's best gift for my birthday. Okay. Oneness of entire human being, 7 billion human beings, we are same. Mentally, emotionally, physically, we are same.
One big family with love. love will make the difference. With compassion we can see. Our hope brings us together, and love will set us free. We are one. We are one. We are one. We are one. We are one if we stand together. We are one if we're worlds apart. We are one if we love another. We are one no matter where we are. We are one when we help a brother. We are one when we lift a heart.